Hi guys, today it's all about purple. Right here in this room I have the original purple that I have bought back in the summer of 2017. So I still test mattresses when I'm done and I'm taking breaks and I just want to lay down and be super happy. Seriously, the original purple mattress makes me happy. So I bought it and I still sleep on it between testing mattresses. Now, we went to the store, to the mattress firm actually, to be precise, and I heard about the new purple mattress as well, the 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4. And I was wondering, whoa, what is going on? Like, I am so in love with the original one. What is the story with the new purple mattresses? So I went to the mattress firm. I saw a big sign that says the new purple mattress here at the store. I'm like, oh, let's go check it out. And trying it at the store is not enough. You know, you can always sit on any mattress and be like, oh, this is wonderful. So I was a little skeptical. Okay, I have to try it to give you a result and give myself satisfaction to see if I really like it. So we got the 0.3 and I slept on it and I tried it, and here's the difference between the original and the 0.3 or the other, if you want, new purple mattresses. The new purple mattress that has a layer of coils. So this alone was a big difference. You have one mattress with no coils and the other three mattresses with a layer of coils in each of them. So 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4, what does it mean? It means 2 inches, 3 inches and then 4 inches of hyperelastic polymer on top of a layer of coils. Now let me explain to you what does hyperelastic polymer means. It is the smart grid or comfort grid, which is also known as the egg catching grid as well. Now I'm going to take you inside these two mattresses, but before we do so, I'm going to show you, we're going to do a little test to see if they have solved the problem. By problem I mean the heaviness of the purple mattress. Now the original purple mattress, to me especially, because I move mattresses around a lot, and this is also part of the test, it is super heavy. It's heavy to the point that it tacos on me, which means it just sags, and sometimes when it falls on you, oh my gosh, it's heavy. Like I need someone else's help to get it off of me. So I'm going to stand this mattress, the original one, and see if they have solved the problem and put this one on the side and see what happens. So here's what happens when I let go of the original purple mattress is I'm moving it around between rooms. So worried, but it's part of the test, right? It just, it won't stand. Alright, let's go ahead and stand and put the other new mattress on the side and see what happens, because I haven't tried it yet. I have had this one delivered to me, white glove delivery, so I didn't get the chance to even move it around. So we're gonna put this to the test, the new mattress, the purple 0.3, and put it on the side and see what happens. Okay. So I just put it on the side. I can almost tell what's gonna happen. I'm worried again, but it is thicker for sure, but that doesn't mean it's going to stand on its own. I'm gonna let go, and this is gonna be our test together to see if the purple one's gonna stand on its own. Alright, here we go. Oh! Okay, well, it did better than the original one, but that doesn't mean anything. Ask for help, guys. As you can see, thicker, absolutely yes, there's no doubt about it between the original and the purple 0.3 that I'm sitting on here right now. Now let's see how they conform on the adjustable bed. I had great results. I think this is one of the top mattresses that have shown me great results on an adjustable bed. It doesn't sag, it sits perfectly from cover to bottom, everything. Every single movement is excellent. We're going to try the new purple mattress, or the purple 0.3 on the adjustable base, and see what happens. As you can see, Not the same results as the original one when it comes to the cover here. And it's zipped up all the ways. I haven't opened it yet. But it's still good. Like, it's not, I've tried mattresses that are thick and they were like terrible on the adjustable base. So purple 0.3 isn't that bad, no? But the original one wins here. So I just opened up the new purple 0.3 mattress to show you what's inside of it. Obviously, as you can see, first of all, it's 0.3, which means 3 inches of hyper-elastic polymer right here. And then as I push down, I find the layer of coils. I was wondering where it's hiding because they did a wonderful job here trying to protect us from this annoying feeling when other mattresses, hybrid mattresses with coils, you can feel them. Not with this one. But let's start with this beautiful cover. And then we'll go inside the mattress and the layers. Okay, as you can see, it's called the Premium Stretch Max cover. The name says it all. It's super stretchy. It's soft. It flexes. And it's breathable. And then we have the top layer that I just mentioned earlier. It could be a 0.2, 0.3, and 0.4 like I said, but this one is a 0.3 purple mattress, which means 3 inches of hyper-elastic polymer. And then we have the responsive support coils, a layer of coils that sits perfectly right here. I can feel it, and I know it's right there. And it's stuck between layers of foam, so you don't have this feeling where, you know, your back or your legs touch that layer of coils. So they're individually wrapped, like I said. And then layers of foam acting perfectly together to give you all the support, all the bounce, and all the comfort possible. Now, the 0.2 should be the firmer version. 0.3 sits in between, so 3 inches of hyper-elastic polymer. And then 0.4 is the softest one. Of course, I decided to try the 0.3 because I'm a side sleeper and a back sleeper as well, and it gave me great results. Now, if you like the softer side, I would go, and you don't like, you know, the feel of coils, I would go with the original one. Doesn't mean that I don't like it anymore. I love it. I love the original purple. Also, I have noticed there's a minimum amount of powder compared to the original one. The original one, when I opened it up and I wanted to find out what the heck are people talking about when it came to powder, is like all over. But there's a reason why there's powder. It's just to separate the hyper-elastic or the smart grid here, and they're not squishy or sticking. I purchased the original purple mattress as well as many other products. The pillow, which I still don't understand why it's a pillow, so I'm not a big fan. The Everywhere cushion, one of my favorite products or items. I love the mattress itself, of course. But then they sent me the new purple 0.3, so thank you so much. I'm like, my mind is blown. I absolutely love it. And this is gonna be my other go-to mattress when I don't have the original one available, but super happy with the results as a person is what I'm trying to say, not as a reviewer as well, like in my everyday life. So this is my new go-to mattress, the new purple 0.3. And like I said, go to our blog where you can see exactly what's the difference between each and every one of them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Hi guys, I'm not sure if you're familiar with the human egg drop test, but it's the same drop test that Purple Mattress does, which is also the same drop test that I did on my son. I didn't do it personally on my side. Actually, it was my husband who dropped him. But people have called me in the comment below. Some people called me bad mom. Some people said that I could have hurt my son. Some people said that the eggs were not raw. And surprisingly, some people went to Purple Mattress also and left comments saying that the eggs were not raw either. I call it yes. Actually, the eggs were raw the whole time, just like the eggs that I'm putting here right now today. Now, the reason for this movie is that we have put these mattresses even higher. And today, it's the revenge of the husband, or the wife. The revenge of the wife. Since I've been called bad mom, you can call me bad wife today. I'm just demonstrating that these eggs are raw. So, today I will strap my husband with some raw eggs and he's gonna roll himself over from top of these mattresses and drop on his back. See what happens to the eggs. You guys still see the eggs? Let me go grab my bowl and let's crack them open. Egg number one, still on his back. Wow. Oh, and it did not break. Boom. So we were successful to pull off the human egg drop test using my human husband on the original Purple. Let's see what's going to happen if I drop him, if he rolls himself over to land on the new Purple, the Purple 0.3. Right here I still have my raw eggs. You see them? And they're breaking. But I'm just gonna show you a couple. Boom. Okay, still raw. Okay, still have 3 more left that I'm going to use. I was randomly picking them. Alright, who wants to do it one more time? Your shorts are powdery. Alright, 2 survived, the bottom 1 broke. I guess that's what it takes when you do a test, a live test. Alright, well, I better clean up my new Purple. This, to show you that it's raw. Well, you just witnessed it was raw. Huh? There you go, 2 survived. Here's the one that did not survive, but he insisted he wanted to do it again, so he lands exactly on his back, and he did. I'm not sure if it was the position of the egg, but that's what it is all about when we do tests, just to show you what's going on. So they survived on the original one, whether it was my son or with my husband. Didn't survive. One of them did not survive on the new Purple 0.3.